Hello everyone. Welcome to my magical little world. Let's learn about the sea animals. Whale. Sea turtle. Octopus. Seal. Starfish. Shark. Seahorse. Jellyfish. Squid. Lobster. Dolphin. Shrimp. Sea lion. Sea urchin. Stingray. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content. See you next time.